Website I've chosen today to critique is Zazzle.com. It is a website designed to have the customer create their own invitations cards, different things based on personal needs. The first thing that gets my attention is the setup. It is basically set up with larger rectangles and smaller boxes. Um, I noticed that in the larger rectangular boxes that they do right and left justify using the darker colors with the white font. The smaller boxes using just the black and white. I do think that they did spend time on thinking of the design of this website because they're offering things that are picture based and designs and more colors that when they were listing the font um, to get the information needed for the website, they were very mild in putting the colors in just the black and white contrast so that the website did not become too busy. It does also, once you click on a featured item, it does begin that breadcrumbs trail where it's easy for the navigator to be able to get back to where they started from, and also the accessibility of clicking the Zazzle button at the top will also take you back to the home page. Before this video is over, I would like to talk about quickly is the read aloud tool. I did notice that when you click it, immediately it tells you that the design of the site is to help you to create your own invitations and cards. Thinking about the whole idea of the 508 compliance, I do think that whoever designed the site had that in mind of making sure that whoever is listening to the information and cannot read the information on this site know immediately what the purpose is of the site. And I think they strategically made sure that the first three words were create your own invitations, clothing and accessories, and what have you.